Hi, Lakers. Let's create a diagram of our 4 locations in Desmos geometry. So what you see on the left side is my completed diagram with locations and distances. On the right, you'll see Desmos geometry. First, make sure you see the grid. And then what we're going to do is plot our 4 points. So you click on the point. I'm going to reduce this so I have more space. And I'm generally going to go in the places, make sure that I have a point selected. I want to go, can't do that. What I need to do is make sure to go in the general direction of my map. Now, if I go over here and go back to my map, I have kind of a slanted rectangle polygon shape. So make your diagram in geometry similar. So here we go. I'm going to put a point down here for California, point down here for Texas, point up here for Minneapolis, a little bit to the east. And then I have a point up here for Billings. Now, once I have those points, I can label those points by hitting select, clicking on them, label, and then type the location. For example, up there is Billings, Montana. You can also change colors and then keep clicking on those points, label, and just type the location. Now, to connect those points, you could click polygon. Notice it says choose a point, and then choose another point, another point, another point, and then back to where you started. Done. Once you see that green check, you know you've got your diagram correct. Now, I'm going to make sure that my diagram is exactly the diagram that I created here. So I'm going to adjust my San Diego. I'm going to move that point more central. And then if you look, Houston is 2, 4, 6, 8 spaces to the right and 2 spaces down. Two spaces down. Let's see, there's 3, 5, 7, there's 8. And then Minneapolis, notice, is 2, 4, 6 spaces up, 1 space to the right. So 3, 6, 1 space to the right. And then Billings is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and up 1. And there is my diagram. Now, to get the distances on the sides of the polygon, just like I did here in having selected the line, click label, and then type the mileage, the flight miles, or kilometers if you're using kilometers, and that will show up placed with that line. The next thing that you'll want to do is make sure to save. I would save it as project, math project unit 4, or your terrific trip. You choose whatever you name it as. Then the next step that you'll do once you have your Desmos diagram is to create ordered pairs. Pick a location on the far left of your triangle. or of your polygon. This is where you will go in and type in the coordinates. Once you've established your origin, then use the spaces to create the next ordered pair. Notice we went to the right 3 and up 5, so Billings is now at 3, 5. And then we went down 1, so we're at 4. But notice we went 6 more spaces. So we should be at, let's see, make sure, 2, 4, 6. So this point should be 9, 4. And so on until you have all 4 coordinates. And then you will have what you need for your project. Here it is for the first. And then the second slide will have your coordinates. And then the third slide is finding the perimeter. Just adding up all the distances of your diagram and showing that final flight mileage. Make sure to present it nicely in the slides. And those are the 3 that we're working on today. Thank you.